guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the xenon headlight bulb on your BMW X5 years 2007 to 2013. The first thing you're going to do is pop the hood. Next, we're going to be opening the hood. The hood release is in the center. So now we are going to move on to the third step. The third step is to remove the dust cover from the headlight housing. If you're working on the left side, it will be located on the far left, and if you're working on the right side, it will be on the far right. Now I'm going to show you how to take it out. So when you reach your hand into the engine, you're going to be looking for the dust boot. Now you're going to push on the clips and then you can take it out. This is how the clip looks like. Okay, so next what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the retaining clips. It is right there, as you can see, and after you remove the retaining clips, you can remove the connector on the bottom. Make sure you're wearing gloves. Okay, so we have the new bulb right here, and then we have the old bulb here. The old bulb one is the original BMW one, and this one is the Reassembly one, which is a lot cheaper. So now we're going to be reinstalling it. So what you want to do is you're gonna put it in, and then you're gonna put the connector in first, so you won't have any difficulty. Okay, so now it's step 4. You're gonna put this cap back on, and then you're gonna test the lights. So now I'm going to be putting the cap back on. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it inside the hole. Make sure these two clips go in first, and then you're gonna push this down, and then you're gonna put it back in, and then let go and wiggle it to make sure that it is stable. Okay guys, so now we have finished the install, and I want to show you how the headlights look once they're done installing. So now we see the final product. So for this install, I definitely recommend you to do it at home and not bring it to a shop, because the shop will charge you a lot more than you just spending a few, either like 30 minutes, or it could take you up to a few hours. It really depends on how mechanically sound you are, or how good you are with this stuff. And yeah, you can't really see what you're doing, but you just have to have the feel for it. If you're really having trouble, then yeah, I would recommend you to bring it to a shop. And please give me a like, please comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Thanks for watching.